So Meta has rolled out its AI assistant, and honestly, I'm curious but cautious. With all the hype surrounding AI these days, is Meta's offering truly worth your time? Let's dive into what it's really like to use. Meta AI is designed to be a versatile assistant, aiming to help users streamline tasks, manage schedules, and even generate content. It integrates with various Meta platforms, making it potentially useful for anyone already in the ecosystem. The interface is pretty straightforward, which is a plus for casual users, but I can't shake the feeling that it lacks depth. While it's marketed as being able to help with everything from planning your day to answering questions, I found some of its capabilities felt a bit basic. For instance, it can assist with scheduling, but the integration with third-party apps seems limited. If you're looking for something that can handle more complex tasks or integrate extensively with other tools, you might find this lacking. Overall, it's user-friendly, but advanced users may outgrow its functionalities quickly. The potential is there, but it feels like some features are still in their infancy. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Meta AI is easy to use and can be a handy tool for basic scheduling or reminders. It's also integrated within the Meta ecosystem, which is convenient for existing users. However, there are some drawbacks. The limited integration with third-party applications might frustrate those who rely on a more interconnected workflow. Additionally, it lacks some advanced features that other AI assistants offer, which could be a deal breaker for power users. Trust is another concern. With Meta's history of data privacy issues, some may hesitate to fully embrace their AI assistant. Overall, it might not suit those looking for a robust, feature-rich experience, but casual users could find it beneficial. In conclusion, if you're already invested in the Meta ecosystem and need something simple to manage your day, it's worth giving Meta AI a shot. But if you're after advanced capabilities or robust integrations, you might want to explore other options. Just be cautious about how much you trust it with your data.